Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Renegade or Jeep Compass with a 2.4 multi-air engine, guys, and you need to replace your catalytic converter or the whole exhaust manifold, guys, stay with us. We will explain what needs to be done. We'll cover that from start to finish. We have the engine out of the vehicle, guys, so we can show you with a great detail where things are, because we'll have more than 100 videos on that engine alone. We'll, guys, show you how to do pretty much almost anything on that engine, and in order to do that we need to show you where all the bolts are, all the details, and if the engine is in the vehicle it's impossible to do that. That's why we removed it. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let me show you guys what we'll be doing here. First, we had to remove the engine out of the car, as I said, because we'll be doing quite a bit of work. But usually the exhaust, guys, on the bottom side, where it attaches to the exhaust of the car, the catalytic converter, this is the downpipe, guys, and you will have only 2 bolts and 2 nuts that you need to remove right here. So do that, guys, super simple. You just remove them, lay underneath the vehicle and get them loose. If they don't come out, guys, I would recommend to use penetrating spray, rust penetrating spray, and soak them overnight, and then you can, guys, go ahead and do that. After that, we're going to remove the engine cover, guys, so we can show you with a greater detail where things are. So grab it, pull it straight out. You have only 4 clips now holding here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. And those, let me show you where they attach, guys. They attach right here. You can see. Perfect. Now, this is your exhaust manifold, catalytic converter, all that comes in one piece. So in order to replace the catalytic converter, you have to remove the whole exhaust manifold and vice versa. So you need to remove, guys, that plate, that thermal shield. And this one will be super hot if you drove the car, so always work on the exhaust after you park the car for at least 12 hours so everything can be cold. We'll need to remove that thermal shield up, and with the oxygen sensor here, we won't be able to, so we need to disconnect it, guys. Right there is the connector on the back side. You press in, you pull it out. And now, guys, how you remove oxygen sensor? There is a special socket, and all the tools and parts that we use in our videos, guys, you can check out in the description of the video below. We'll have the links. If you need to buy a new catalytic converter, all that will be on the channel, so check it out, guys. So we get here, install our ratchet or extension if you need to, and get it loose. You can see, not very complicated at all. After that, just start turning it by hand, guys. Next, what we need to do, we already removed that one once, so we can learn how to do it and show you the correct way, so things are a little bit loose, otherwise you may expect them to be a little bit tight. Spray those nuts too with rust penetrating spray, not here, here and here, because otherwise, if they're old or high mileage, they may break. That happened in the past before as well. Here we have one bolt with a 10mm, that we need to remove. You can see that's holding the plate towards the catalytic converter there. Right there. So go ahead, pull that one out. And there is a hidden bracket that we'll need to remove as well, but I will not be able to show you how to do that until we remove it. You're supposed to have one or more of those, but ours is broken, guys. One is missing. So 1, 2. Then on top you have 3 more nuts. And then we just have 3rd one right there. You have to use a wrench, otherwise you may not be able to reach. Perfect, and we'll be able, guys, to pull it out now. Just grab it and pull it out, up and out. So next you have that plate that's holding the catalytic converter towards the engine block. We already removed it, guys, but I'll show you once we removed it, otherwise it's impossible for me to show you exactly where that thing is located, guys. So now we got all the bolts loose, so we don't have to waste your time, but let us show you where all the bolts are. One bolt here, perfect, bolt there, one in the middle as well. Check it out. one on the side. Those are the bolts, guys, and now we just have 2 nuts, okay, that we need to remove. These 2 nuts are 14mm nuts, guys, in each top corner, left and right. Perfect. But before that, you have to remove that plate. Remember the one I told you about on the bottom. Perfect. After that, all we have to do, just grab that catalytic converter exhaust manifold and pull it out. Lift it up, and the other oxygen sensor, we didn't disconnect it, so press down there and pull it out. We almost forgot about this thing. Perfect. Now we grab it, we pull it out. Let us show you where that plate is now on the bottom. Okay, that plate, guys, it attaches, okay, it attaches like that to the catalytic, okay, let me see, yep, like that, to the catalytic converter here on the bottom. So you have to remove these 2 bolts. Okay, I removed the whole plate so I can show you, because otherwise I cannot get under the engine. But these 2 bolts right here, remove them, and then remove the ones on top, and you can pull it out. And you can see this one came out, okay, just like that. So that's how you guys do it. If you need to buy a replacement catalytic converter, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. That's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Putting it together is in reverse order with 2 kit apart. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.